As you progress in this course, you will probably end up messing with your Minecraft world. You might then want to start with a new one. So creating a brand new world with a server is a little bit different from creating a new world in single player mode. So here are the steps. First, disconnect from the server, minimize the game, and close the server by closing the CMD window. Then, go to the Learn Python with Minecraft Tools folder and copy and paste the server folder. Next, rename the copy. Let's call it New World. And go inside the new world. Next, you need to find the 3 folders that have the word world. Those are world, world nether, world the end. And delete them by pressing delete. Next is, this time you will have to start the server using this start icon or file. Not the old one, the start server file. So remember, whenever you want to start a new server, go to the new folder and start the server by using the start file. So click it, double click it, and as usual, the server will start. You will have to wait for a while, so be patient. And then the server is ready. Always verify that it's done by checking the word done. Go back to Minecraft, reconnect to the server, and you should see a brand new world. So go on, verify that it's a new world, explore it, and you should see something different from what you saw before. So repeat this process whenever you need a new world. And you can always go back to your older worlds by just clicking the start file in the corresponding folder. Something else to keep in mind is that whenever you want to use a new world, you need to click on the start file within the folder corresponding to that new world, and not the older start server file that we used at the very beginning. And that's it.